We will now use completing the square to rewrite a quadratic expression into vertex form. So we would like to rewrite f of x equals x squared plus 12x plus 9 using completing the square. The steps will be similar to what we did in the previous example, but we'll have a couple of fundamental differences. So, step 1, what we're going to do is we're going to move the 9 down. We're going to move it to the right, but we're going to keep it on the same side of the function. This is different from what we did in our previous example. So what I now have is f of x equals x squared plus 12x. I've left a blank, and then I have plus 9. Step 2, complete the square on the first two terms of the expression. So in other words, we take 1/2 the coefficient of the x term and square it. So 1/2 of 12 is 6. 6 squared is 36. Now what we do is we add and subtract 36 on the right-hand side of the equation, which does not change the expression. Before we added the 36 to both sides, what we're going to do is add and subtract. We don't really want to change the f of x side. So to keep the equality, we add 36 and then we subtract 36. And you'll notice I did that right at this stage. What will happen is the 9 and the 36 will combine to give us minus 27. And these first three terms we factor. And if we factor those, that gives us x plus 6 squared and then minus 27. And like we did before, from this form we can read off the vertex and the axis of symmetry.